Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you are watching this video. To all vibe coders, come here, come near. Today, our topic for today is for vibe coding. It's on vibe coding. As a vibe coder, I will take you step by step approach, step by step where you can get your website done on time, so that you will not waste, it will not take you too long to finish your project for your client. So I'm here. We are going to use Claude. That is the AI tool we are going to use to design or to write code our new website. So all what we have to do is to click on Claude. So still you have to, maybe you've seen a website on a template or a website image on the internet. You've seen you like the image of the website, you like the template of the website. So you want to also build the same website, the same design, the same layout, everything. You want to own everything, the color shape. You want something similar to that website you see on the internet, or you want something similar like that image, the website image. So all what you have to do is to just download the website image. You download the website image. After you download the website image, you upload the website image into Cloud. You see, hope you've seen how I managed to upload the image. You just have to click on the plus button, then you click on photos. You see, you click on photos like this, then you just take the I like this website image, so you see I've taken it already. So like this now, you click on it like this, so you've uploaded it into, let's say, on the platform, the cloud platform. So all what you need is your prompt, your command. I always keep saying that. So you see this website, I'm going to build something similar to this one, something like this. But my own will be different. But we use the same design, the same layout, the same feature, the same color scheme. So let me take you through. Let's go. Let's go. So get your prompt ready. Your prompt, get it ready. Or your command, get it ready. I've already copied my own, so you just have to click on it like this. So let me take you through. Maybe you also like to write it down, or you also like to take a look at the prompt. So let's go. The prompt goes like this: build the website using hypertext markup language, CSS, and JavaScript only. Preserve the overall design system, layout flow, session, organization, responsiveness, and visual appeal of the reference website. We praise all the branding content. We praise all the branding content, text, images, icon, and business information with content relevant to Gascony GH Tech AI Masterclass. So let's go. Create and you see continue like that. So the prompt is very long, so I will not be able to finish everything. So let's go. Let's go. So let's give it. Let's wait for the cloud to do the miracle for us. You see, so it is doing the miracle. It is working on it. So you see something. It will generate a nice something similar to that one. So let's go. If the video will keep long, so let's go. It will start working on it. Giddy, 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 giddy. It is working on it. Let me pray that my entire should not get full, because I know the video will be very long. So with this, let me just be uh, doing this thing. Very soon I'll be streaming on TikTok. You see, all this I've been teaching, all the videos I've been doing, and I've been posting on my timeline. Some of the videos go against TikTok rules and regulations. So I was asked to take down the videos. But if you want those videos, they are in my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and search Gascony GH Tech. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the videos. How you can buy your affordable data package. How you can Claude AI finish working on the assignment that I've given to I've given it to I've given to I don't know if it is human being. So the AI finished working on the project for me. So let's preview it. Let's preview it. So here's the preview. We see it's as simple as ABCD. This is how, as a vibe coder, this is what you can do to save your time and effort. You see, so here we are previewing it in the same AI platform. So right now, let's download it onto our device, our mobile phone device. So like this, you just click on download. You see it. You just have to click on download. It has already downloaded. So let's preview it of let's say on our device. This one here, it is on my device. I've downloaded the source code already. So now let's go. Let's preview it. As you can see, you see. So now it is done. The work is done. Let's say 60% is done. 60% is done. From here, you start giving it another prompt again. Maybe if you want it to work on certain sessions again, yeah, you command it should work on certain sessions for you. You see, so this is everything. Select the track AI for AI and machine learning fundamental, deep learning, AI for business, and you see, so a lot. So let's just keep on scrolling. So the website is already done. It is done, 60% done. So from here, we are. It is done already. It is not responsive. You see, it is not responsive. So let's go back and command the AI again. Yeah. So let's go. Make sure it's responsive and work perfectly on all devices. You see? So let's wait and see something. It will start working on it again. So it is fixing every bug, every mistakes, every correction that needs to be done. It is working on it again, you see. So this is how you can get your, as a vibe coder, you can get everything done easily and simple. With this, it can save you time, effort, and also help you work on your client's work or your client's this thing fast, and you see it will help you to deliver your work on time, you see. So everything is done, still working on it, you see. So this is as a vibe coder, this is what you can do. These are the step-by-step approach you can take so that you can speed up your vibe coding. You can work on time, deliver on time, you see. So let's end here. In my next video, I'll be teaching you, or I'll be taking you through step-by-step approach, step-by-step method. You can get your logos and your flyers, your everything done using AI. So this is part 1. Be waiting for part 2, you see. Yeah. Happy to have you all. You can follow me on all streaming platforms. Yeah, on all social media platforms. On Facebook, Gasconi GH Tech. On YouTube, Gasconi GH Tech. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, all streaming platform, all social media, Gasconi GH Tech. You can also leave a comment for me so that if you are interested in my prompt, you can also leave a comment for me so that I can send you the prompts. Okay. So see you in my next video.